Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Haven the Groomer, and I'm back with another one. Today I'll be doing a dope mid fade with texture on top. So be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. A comment is always appreciated. Hope you enjoy. So the first guideline will be put in with my masters. I'm gonna open the lever all the way up. Now I'm gonna do a little clip over comb action. I like doing this technique because it's gonna set me up real nicely when I use the guards for my next step. Now I'm gonna grab a 2 guard. I'm gonna go down with the grain to do a little more debulking. Then I'm gonna fade against the grain to start bringing the fade to life. I'm gonna do the same thing with the 1.5. I'm gonna keep on blending and fading until I feel like I'm ready for the next step. Now I'm skipping to the half guard instead of the 1 because I know exactly what line I need to get out of, and the half guard is going to do exactly what I need to do. So now I'm balding out the bottom of the fade, and then I'm gonna turn the trimmer over and start kind of fading up a little bit, using the corners, just get rid of the lines of demarcation that I see. And then I'm gonna take my masters and get rid of that initial guideline I just used to bald out the bottom of the fade. As you can see, that fade is coming out looking good, clean, you feel me? So the same steps we did on the other side, we're gonna do on this side as well. Man, it's crazy. I'm sitting here, right, editing this video. The only thing I can think about is how far we've come as a whole in the barber industry. Such a beautiful thing. I remember 10 years ago, man, I just moved to St. Louis, and I was building my clientele at the barbershop I was currently at, and I remember I got into it with this wall rep who came in the shop selling products, and he told me, "Man, you ain't nothing but a barber, man. That's it, just a barber." And I ain't gonna lie, that hit me kind of hard because this is something I'm passionate about. It's something that I really wanted to make a profession. And so I told myself, man, I'm gonna make this guy believe some way, somehow. He's gonna know who I am. And just seeing all the, the hard work that I put in, and seeing, shouting out to all the people who before me who put in that work as well and kind of lead the way. Taking that risk, taking that chance, doing things that we never thought was possible. Thank God for social media that, they gave us the opportunity to showcase our work all over the world so that people know the true importance it is of being a barber. It never goes unnoticed. I'm forever grateful. And for all my new barbers, man, understand this is your world, man. It's your world to shine. You could become whoever you want to be, but you gotta believe. Hard work, dedication. You gotta truly love it. So before I edge up my client, I like to add some styling foam to his hair. This gives me a better understanding of how his hair gonna lay after I style it. And of course, I gotta use my homegirl, my sister, Miss Jewel Styling Comb, to get the job done. So I'm gonna use a 0.5 to bring down the hair in front so I can lay the hair down. I'm gonna throw a little holding spray on this lining to keep all the hairs in place. Now with this cut, I'm gonna give him a C cup, just because I just like how it look. You know, how it's gonna connect to his beard. And I'm gonna keep his lining as natural as possible, but also give it a crispy look as well. The liner's hidden. Now I'm gonna throw a little enhancements on my lining, on my client. I like to use Kiss Express, and I'm also throw a little bit of fibers on there to bring the tone back down. Now I gotta bring out my razor, my signature touch to my haircut. I'm a true believer, man. If I ain't throw the razor on it, it never happened. Now this is the final cut. Hope you enjoy. Be sure to show some love if you enjoy this content. I'll be blessed. One.